Tada! Welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. So today we are going to make Indonesian fruit salad, Indonesian fruit salad, and then we're gonna use our new dressing. It's just we just launched the new dressing called baget dressing or tamarindo dressing. Okay, so basically this is tamarindo, peanut, and coconut sugar. That's it. So let's try. You buy cut fruit already in the public. Instead of eating just like this, so we're gonna put the dressing, which is the baget dressing. It's very simple. So let's do this. This is already like, you can use this directly because that's the point, is dressing, but I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna add something here. It may contain pit or fragment pit because they have tamarindo, pit perhaps, and peanuts. So maybe I'm gonna do like that. Okay. Like this, that's fine. But I'm gonna add something else. I have peanut. You can put more peanut if you like peanut. They have peanuts here, but I'm gonna put more peanut. Tanda. Put more peanut there. It's just a simple fried peanut. If you fry with skin, that's even better. The one that I found, I didn't find the skin, but skin, peanut, fried. Okay. And then this is another trick. In my island, especially in Sumbawa Island, we use kind of raw
green
things. Because this
banana.
Yeah. Okay, you do like that. Okay, maybe one more. Okay, this is Guatemalan green banana. So any banana, but it's green banana or burro banana, that's the best. So what you need to do, just put some salt. Yeah, put salt a little bit there. Okay. Then, if you want a chili, you can put chilies. Good. Okay, if you want to put more coconut sugar, you can put more coconut sugar. We don't have chili. If we have chili, you are done with this.
Make it a little spicy.
Yeah, to make it little spicy.
What about if we put a little sambal in there?
No, the sambal is different because they have lemongrass and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, you just need chili. Okay. So now,
but if you don't like spicy, then this is perfect.
Yeah, if you don't like spicy, and this is your fruit salad. This is Indonesian fruit salad. Okay, let's decorate a little bit. We do in Indonesia, we do like mango, pineapple, green papaya. It's all green. But here, what do you have? Yeah, you have pineapple here. You have, what is this, the green one?
Melon. Oh.
So you can always put like that. Your melon. Okay. Okay. And then put here a little bit. Strawberry. And then this is your pineapple. Okay, put your green here. Bueno. And this. Okay, that's it. Your salad is ready. If you want to put more peanut, you can put more peanut because I do love peanut. Then, let me see. Okay. Rujak alami. Rujak ala islands. Rujak from Sumbawa Island with green bananas.